After completing Umrah al-Tamattuʿ, it is time to perform Hajj al-Tamattuʿ, which consists of 13 essential actions. 1. Wearing the Iḥrām in Mecca. 2. Staying at ʿArafah. 3. Spending the night in Muzdalifah. 4. Stoning Jamara al-Aqaba, the large pillar symbolizing Satan. 5. Sacrificing an animal. 6. Shaving or trimming the hair. 7. Performing tawaf of Hajj. 8. Praying Salat at-Tawaf of Hajj behind Maqam Ibrahim. 9. Performing Sa'i between Safa and Marwa. 10. Performing Tawaf an-Nisa. 11. Praying Salat at-Tawaf an-Nisa behind Maqam Ibrahim. 12. Spending the nights in Minā. And 13. Stoning all 3 Jamarat. Let's explain these in detail. The first obligation for Hajj al-Tamattuʿ is to put on the Iḥrām. There are certain conditions for your Iḥrām to be valid. You cannot wear Iḥrām for Hajj until you have completed taqsir in Umrah al-Tamattuʿ. Intention. Your intention should be to wear the Iḥrām for Hajj al-Tamattuʿ, seeking closeness to Allah. Talbiyah. Reciting the Talbiyah correctly is essential, as the Iḥrām is not complete without it. We mentioned its method in earlier lessons. Timing of Iḥrām. The best time to wear Iḥrām is on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah at Dhuhr time. Elderly or sick people who fear overcrowding may wear it up to 3 days earlier. The rules and prohibitions of Iḥrām for Hajj al-Tamattuʿ are the same as those for Umrah mentioned in our previous videos, such as hunting, cutting nails, using perfumes, etc. The second obligation of Hajj al-Tamattuʿ is to stay at ʿArafah on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah. For Hajj al-Tamattuʿ, you must arrive at ʿArafah before Dhuhr with the intention of staying from Dhuhr until Maghrib in obedience to Allah's command. It is obligatory to remain within the boundaries of ʿArafah during this period. While you are here, it is recommended to engage in prayer, supplication, and other acts of worship. It is recommended to stay on the left side of Mount Rahmah on level ground, to remain in a state of ritual purity, to avoid distractions, to perform Dhuhr and Asr prayers together at their prime time, to reflect on one's sins and sincerely seeking forgiveness, to weep or become tearful out of sincerity and devotion, to pray for parents and believers, and to recite the supplication of Imam Hussein. After sunset, you should leave Arafah and proceed to Muzdalifah. The third obligation of Hajj al-Tamattuʿ is to stay at Muzdalifah, also known as Mash'ar al-Haram. This stay occurs immediately after leaving Arafah. When Maghrib time enters while you are at Arafah, you should proceed to Muzdalifah and spend a part of the night there until Fajr on the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, Eid al-Adha. As a precaution, you should stay until sunrise. You must have the intention to stay in Muzdalifah as part of Hajj al-Tamattuʿ, seeking closeness to Allah. In Muzdalifah, it is recommended to collect 70 small pebbles for the stoning ritual in Minā, combine the Maghrib and Isha prayers, engage in supplications and the remembrance of Allah throughout the night, remain humble, reflect on your journey and engage in worship. On the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, you must proceed from Muzdalifah towards Minā. In Minā, there are 3 essential acts to perform. 1. Throwing 7 pebbles at the large pillar, Jamara al-Aqaba, that symbolizes Satan. 2. Sacrificing an animal. 3. Shaving or trimming the hair as a symbol of purification. These will be explained in the next video.